Do you ever feel stuck and need help from a friend or family member? You're not alone, and today we're going to talk about how to ask for help. Asking for help can be tough, but it's a normal part of life. Let's start with something simple, like asking a friend for help. You can say, "Hey, can you help me out?" Or, "Can you do me a favor?" These phrases are great because they're easy to use and understand. Now, let's talk about what to do when you need help from someone you don't know very well, like a store clerk or a stranger. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me with this?" Or, "Sorry to bother you, but can you help me out?" Remember, it's okay to ask for help, and most people are happy to assist. So, don't be afraid to ask for what you need. Now, let's practice some of these phrases together. Repeat after me, "Can you help me out?" Great job, and let's try another one. "Can you do me a favor?" That's it for today, and I hope you learned some helpful phrases. Don't forget to practice every day, and soon you'll be asking for help like a pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Now, go out there and practice asking for help, and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.
Close the door. You stay close.